Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to be sharing some of the page kits I put together for 30 Days of Sketches. And so I am going to just start with the first one. And let's see if I can just pick up one. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'll show you the pictures the day that we actually scrapbook them. I am using, well, oh, I didn't want that in there. Okay. Actually, I'm using these things, and I'm taking out this because I actually didn't want that in there. I didn't realize I did that. Okay, it is going to be for soccer. I'm going to use this gray. It looks like from the sketch, I got the sketches early. If you are playing along, there is a early one that you can sign up to get that. And I think I need 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 papers. And so I'm going to use this red just because I might use this victory sign. And I'll tell you, I'm going to have to bring things out. It's probably just the lighting underneath my landing lights, as Janet would call them. So anyhow, I'm using this red, gray, this actual soccer paper from Bella Boulevard, and it is from soccer. It's called Soccer. And I think I'll probably use some of these, this side. And I have this, which is from, I don't know where, maybe Hobby Lobby, I'm not sure. It's pretty old. And then I have the Bella Boulevard stickers. And so I'm gonna be using some of those, I'm sure. And then this here, it was from a paper pad. I think it had all kinds of sports on it. And that's what the paper pad was. And I got it Tuesday morning, so I can't even remember who made it or whatever. So that's what I'm going to be using. And then I am throwing in any of the scraps in case I need to make any embellishments. And then I have this, it's from Jolie's Boutique, or Jolie's by You, whatever it's being called lately. I think I got it at Tuesday morning before they closed. So that's my day 1. And then for my day 2, I am going to be using this Jen Hadfield Stardust, and I'm going to be using this side. It's also got the peace signs on this side. And then I have this pink that I'm bringing in. And then I'm using this here, but I thought I'd pull this in just in case I only needed a scrap, because I really haven't planned my design yet. So those are the 3 papers, because it looks like I just need 3 papers for that. And I'll be also doing some matting. So that's for that. I had to look and see what's on the other side. Okay, so that's day 2. And then for day 3, day 3, I'm actually using my Collection Obsession, and I won't be showing that until October 1st. So you just have to wait on that one. So then let's see, here's what's next. This one here, I'm going to be using, this is day 4. And I'm going to be using Joy of Life from Minte. And I just brought in the whole thing of the embellishments, or they call them elements. And I threw this in because there is matting to be done. And then I could also cut out some of these if I decide to. Because I'm not sure if I want to use these embellishments. I might want to kind of thinking about those too. And this one I'm gonna be scrapbooking the twins, so I'm actually gonna be doing 2 pages. So I brought in both of these because I'm actually just gonna need a scrap, and look at that, I just love that. And then this wood, just love that. This is what the other side looks like. And let's see, did I bring in one more? Oh, I brought these in just in case I thought this wouldn't work or something. But I think I will use those as far as I can tell. And then I'll be doing some matting with this. So that is day 4. I shouldn't forget what day it is when I've got that written there. Now, usually I am, every day it's a struggle just to get that day done. So I'm really excited to be able to plan ahead a little. Okay, and if you can't tell, this one is definitely going to be sports. And this one here, I need basically 3 papers. And they actually show one as being white. But, excuse me, I brought in, 3 papers. Okay, so I did bring in 3 papers. Okay, so I was thinking I brought in 1 extra, but they kind of showed one as white, but I think I'm going to use this like it is, and it's going to be football. And and I do have a big football in here too that I'm going to be using, like this, a giant football. So that's it for that one. It is Packer colors, just in case you wanted to know that. So that's day 5. Day 6. Now I find this sketch a little challenging, but I am rising to the occasion. Okay, and now this one actually shows like 1, 2, and then some like scraps. But I am bringing these, I'm gonna be scrapbooking the twins. So I actually brought in some, let's see, I've got these. I'm kind of bringing these in as snippets. And I just thought I might want to cut some of these as embellishments because they're just so cute. And then I'll be using this probably for the little snippets that you need for the sketch. And some of this. So I'm kind of using those ones for embellishments basically. And then I'm using Summer Dreams. I probably didn't even tell you what the last one was. Oh, let me see. The football paper is something I didn't know. So there you go. Okay, so this is Summer Dreams by Echo Park. And then I also have Hello Summer by Echo Park. And I used some, which one the other day? Oh, I think it was a different one altogether. And then these were scraps from actually what I used the other day, which I don't remember what it was. But, and this is Photo Play Summer Dreams. So that's why I brought Summer Dreams stickers and, Summer Daydreams, sorry. I've been at this all day. That's my excuse. Okay, and so I'm gonna be doing 2 layouts, probably the same, or very close to the same. So one I'll do on camera and the one I'll have done previously, like usual. Oh, and I had these that I got at Tuesday morning. I have no idea if I'll even use any of them, but I thought I'm doing summer pool. I'm just throwing these in, whether I use them or not. I'm just gonna put them there. And then day 7 is gonna be another collection obsession. So I'll be showing you that on the 1st, which I think is Sunday, isn't it? I think so. Okay, so then 8, I am doing 2 again, and they should be relatively the same. They might be embellished a little bit different, but I'm gonna be using Minte's Fall Festival. I've been totally hoarding this collection. I think I've used it one time for Tegan, and it is just so gorgeous. I would totally buy it again. I don't know, if I had a chance to buy it again, I'd probably buy two, because I love it, love it, love it. I mean, these are beautiful and they look perfect with the photo I'm using. So I'm gonna be using this. So I got two of them here. I might use a little bit of this. And then I have this one here, which is Paper House. Oh, and I actually have one more than what I need here. And I'm gonna be using that for matting this whole thing. And then there is some like little pieces in the sketch. So I will be maybe needing some little pieces. So that's why I just threw in, I mean, they're like the minute strips, but I just thought I'm just gonna throw in that whole thing. And then of course I have my embellishments, which I have hardly any left. I wish I don't know if when they had this, if they had the 6x6 or in the, 6x8s, yeah, then, because I think this is one of the first collections I ever bought from Minte, and you see what it's created. But I love, love, love this. Can't wait to do with that layout. Okay, so that's number 8. Okay, and then I have number 9. And this one, let's see, number 9. It looks like I only need 2 papers, and then I'll probably mat. And this is from Craft Consortium. And then this is from Paper Studio. So that is gonna be super cute. Okay, and then that was number 9. This is number 10. And so it's going pretty fast, I think. Okay, so number 10, I'm gonna be using this peach tea. And this piece is called Just Peachy, and it's by Frank Garcia, Prima Marketing. And so this is what it looks like on that side, and this is what it looks like on this side. And I'm going to be using both sides. And then I need another piece, which I just need a thin piece for a border. So I'm using this Maxi Creative Pad Wood by P13, and that's the other side, which is gorgeous too, but I'm going to be using this side. And then I have this, I think it was Jen Hadfield, so I'm going to be using that. And then I'm bringing in this to use as a scrap, and I might try to find another scrap that would also go with this, maybe in a peach color, or maybe I could use this also in it, but I think I might want peach or turquoise. And then the only embellishment so far that I pulled in was this here, because it's got a little peach. I got this at Tuesday morning a long time ago. It's probably one of the first times I bought puffy stickers. But it has this cute little peach, so I'm going to be using that. Oh, and I'm actually going to be cutting this one apart and using some of the peach elements. So, I mean, peach elements, not as in the color. So, that is number 10. And I'm doing 11 today just because I actually got 11 done. Okay, and then I am using this. This was my Collection Obsession, second or third time I think I did the Collection Obsession. And I am going to be using let's see. This wood actually from Color Vibe, the Simple Stories. It looks like the ledger paper on the back. But I'm going to be using this side, and I'm going to be using this because there's only 2 papers in this except for, you know, matting my photo. And so I just put everything that I have in here. I don't know what I'll actually use because today I was just happy to get a head start because usually every day I am fighting just to get my one done. But I'm so excited to have this done. And I love doing this because I always end up with something that I never expected for it to look like. And I love how they look at the end. It's just so fun. So I want to thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you all through the 30 days of sketches. Well, not see you. I won't be able to see you. Well, if you put a picture on, I'll see you. I hope you come and join me I actually hope you play because it's fun. It's so fun. I can't wait to start doing it again. Just because it's challenging. You know, work at finding something, you know, maybe the right amount of photos. And this time it was a little more difficult with the photos because every time that I've done this, it's like there's been a lot of single photos. And this time we have a lot of multi-photos. So it's going to be a lot of fun. So have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.